Hormones play a very crucial role while maintaining our bodily function. So, your mood swings, your irregular periods, anxiety, stress, diabetes, sudden weight gain, sudden weight loss, all these issues may occur due to your hormonal imbalance.
In today's video, we will explore how yoga can be a game changer and when it comes to hormone imbalancing. With specific yoga poses and breathing techniques, it's easy to stimulate endocrine system, reduce stress, and improve circulation.
Namaste everyone. This is Ranjana and this is my friend Rakhi, and we welcome you to our channel Yogs and Jeevan. So let's practice today's session and together we'll balance our hormone. So let's get started. Roll your shoulder back. Come to Namaskar Sthiti. Inhale, raise your hands up, back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Come to plank. Inhale, exhale. Keep your knee, chest and chin down. Inhale. Lift your chest up. Bhujangasana. Keep your feet flat. Exhale. Parvatasana. Try to pull his arm. Inhale down. Inhale, right leg in front. Exhale, left front. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Arch back. Inhale, come to Pranam Sthiti. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, left leg. Come to plank. Keep your knee down, chest and chin down. Lift your hip up. Inhale, arch your chest up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg front. Left leg. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back.
We'll start our asana with Ustrasana, camel pose. For this, kneel on the floor with your knee hip wide apart. Your thighs should be perpendicular to the floor. Keep half a distance between the leg. Inhale, raise your hands up. And try to hold your ankle and arch back. Bring your hip forward. Ustrasana will help in stimulates your hormonal gland. It improves digestion. It helps in opening up your chest and shoulder. Individuals with serious lower back or neck issues, having high blood pressure, heart condition, or undergone any recent abdominal surgery should avoid practicing Ustrasana. Pregnant women during last stage should avoid practicing this asana as it gonna give more stress on the abdomen. Next, we have Setu Bandhasana. For this, lie down on your back, bring your heel near to your hip, hold your ankle, and with inhalation, lift your hip up above the crown. Try to touch your chin to the chest. Hold this asana for 5 to 10 breaths. Maintain deep breathing. Try to lift your hips higher. Inhale, exhale gently. Setubandha Asana will stimulate your thyroid gland and helps in regulating hormone, improves digestion, provide strength to the muscle, reduce your stress. Individual having a neck or shoulder issues or knee problem should avoid practicing Setubandhasana. Also, pregnant women, especially during last stage, should avoid practicing Setubandhasana. Next, Supta Baddha Konasana. For this, bend your knee in butterfly pose. Interlock your finger. Keep it under your feet. With your elbow support, try to lie down. Keep crown of your head on the floor. Your both palms should be on your thigh. Put pressure on your thigh. You can also use a pillow or blanket if your thigh are not able to touch the floor. Supta Baddha Konasana will help stimulating your ovaries and in hormonal balance. It improves blood circulation in pelvic region. It helps in reducing your stress. If you are having any lower back injury or knee injury or having any severe hip problem, you should avoid practicing this asana. To practice Sarvangasana, lie down on your back. Raise your both the legs 90 degree up. Keep your both palm at your lower back. With inhalation, raise your lower body up. Keep your toe pointed. Your body should be in one straight line. If you have any problem or if you are not able to lift your lower body, you can stay in Ardha Halasana. Stay in this posture for 30 seconds. Sarvangasana will help in stimulate your thyroid and parathyroid gland, which regulate hormonal functioning. It also improves blood circulation in your brain, relieve stress. If you're having any high blood pressure or neck or shoulder issue, should avoid practicing Sarvangasana. To practice Matsyasana, fish pose, lie down on your mat, bend your elbow. With your elbow support, lift your upper body up, bend your head back, put crown of your head on the floor, join both your legs together, lift it 30 degree above the floor, join your both palm together in Namaskara. Stay in this posture for 30 seconds. Matsyasana will help stimulating your thyroid and parathyroid gland. It also improves your posture, helps in circulating blood in pelvic area. If you have any neck or back injury, avoid this asana. Our last asana is Bhujangasana. To practice this, keep your both palm next to your chest, lift your upper body up, arch back, look up. Stay in this posture for 30 seconds. Bhujangasana will help in balancing your thyroid gland, enhancing overall hormonal health. It also promoting spinal flexibility and reduce back pain. Individuals who are recently undergone abdominal surgery or having hernia, peptic ulcer should avoid practicing this asana. Pregnant women also should avoid practicing Bhujangasana. Next is child pose tabletop. Inhale, come up, exhale, go back to child pose. Inhale in table position, exhale, child pose. Repeat it for 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Now we'll do cat and cow position. For this, come to table position. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, squeeze your abdomen. Repeat this also for 5 counts. Asanas will help releasing all the tensions from your spine. It promotes relaxation and helps in stimulating the abdominal organ, improve digestion. At last, lie down in Savasana. Keep your both palm away from your body. Maintain half distance between the leg. Relax. Inhale, exhale gently. Slowly join your both legs together. Interlock your finger. Raise it above your head. Stretch your whole body. Release. Gently bend in the left side and come up. With this, we'll end our today's session.
Thank you guys for joining us in this very wonderful session. Do practice and listen. Always remember, listen to your body. Do it at your comfort zone and practice these yoga asanas every day to balance your hormone to get a best results. And if you like this video, keep a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and do comment below what which keeps me motivated so I can make a good such good videos and we can together work in a very holistic way. So till then, namaste.